What's going on, Moomin fans? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made my Snufkin cosplay and how I got into my Snufkin cosplay. Snufkin is arguably the most popular Moomin character, and this cosplay always brings the Moomin fans out whenever I wear it to a con. Before I get into this cosplay, I will do a tour of it. First, I'll start with the scarf. It's a basic yellow scarf I got on Amazon for cheap. It does take a bit of time for me to put on, as I'll show you later. Next is Snufkin's tunic. This is an olive green long sleeve tunic dress I also got on Amazon. For those looking to buy a tunic, I recommend buying a size up if you're a man, as these tunics are women's sized. On the back of this tunic are some gold button scalps I got from Joanne. You can also find these at Michael's or other craft stores, as Joanne has been closing stores. I sewed these onto the tunic myself. For those who haven't noticed, Snufkin has gold buttons on the back of his tunic. These are dark green pajama pants I got from Amazon. Originally, these were baggy, so I had to cut and sew for a more thinner and athletic fit. Interestingly enough, the wig I used for my Snufkin cosplay is originally intended for Chiaki from Danganronpa cosplays, and boy, it turned out to fit Snufkin really well. I did have to trim the bangs a bit to look more like Snufkin's though. And now for the star of the show, the hat. For this part, I'll actually show you the process I used to make hats like Snufkin's. I'll catch you later after I get into my Snufkin cosplay. And there you have it, my Snufkin cosplay. I hope this video was helpful to those looking to cosplay him. If it was, feel free to give it a like. If you have any questions regarding this cosplay, feel free to comment below. And with that, see you in the next video. Happy cosplay, and happy 80th anniversary of the Moomin franchise!